Ever wondered why your typing still feels cramped, even with a mechanical keyboard? Today, we're unlocking the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboards that instantly upgrade comfort and performance. Welcome to my channel, stick around, and don't forget, you can grab any of these gems through the links in the description. Our number 5 is SteelSeries Apex Pro. What if I told you the biggest reason players lose fights isn't reaction time? It's a keyboard that fires milliseconds too late. That's why the SteelSeries Apex Pro instantly stands out in our search for the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboard. Its OmniPoint 3.0 switches with 20 times faster actuation and 11 times quicker response genuinely change how fast you can play, giving that deep sense of relief you only get when your gear finally keeps up with your skill. The 40 adjustable actuation levels, rapid trigger, and protection mode make every press feel intentional and precise, delivering a smoother, more controlled experience as compared with others in its class. The OLED Smart Display adds effortless customization without slowing your momentum, something we always value when testing for real-world comfort and reliability. At $189.99, it is a confident pick for competitive gamers who crave speed and consistency, though casual players may find it overkill. If you want to feel sharper, safer, and genuinely in control, this is the upgrade that will not disappoint. At number 4 is ROYAL KLUDGE R87 Pro. What if I told you many players blame their aim, when the real problem is a keyboard that feels stiff, loud, and unresponsive? That's exactly why the ROYAL KLUDGE R87 Pro stands out in our hunt for the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboards. It instantly delivers that calm, confident feeling of control. The 75% layout saves desk space without sacrificing essential keys, and the hot-swappable switches plus a CNC-milled programmable knob make everyday gaming and editing feel smoother as compared with others in its range. The 5-layer gasket structure softens every keystroke, creating a quieter, more focused environment that we always look for when testing real-world comfort. QMK and VA support let you remap, customize lighting, and build macros that fit your workflow, giving a true sense of ownership and relief from limited presets. At $64.99, it is a smart, budget-friendly choice for gamers or creators who want customization, comfort, and reliability without spending big. On number 3 is AULA F87 Wireless. What if I told you one of the biggest frustrations for gamers and typists isn't skill, it's a keyboard that can't keep up with multitasking and speed? That's exactly why the AULA F87 Wireless immediately grabs attention among the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboards. Its tri-mode connection, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz, and Type-C, lets you switch between 3 devices seamlessly, giving real-world convenience that feels noticeably smoother as compared with others. The hot-swappable Leobog Greywood V3 switches, combined with programmable drivers, allow full customization, macro recording, and precise, conflict-free key presses, bringing that sense of relief and control every serious user craves. The advanced 5-layer sound dampening structure ensures quiet, soft-touch typing, while 15 RGB effects and music rhythm lighting elevate the atmosphere without distraction. Compact 75% design saves desk space. PPT keycaps ensure durability, and a high-capacity 4,000 mAh battery supports all-day use. At number 2 is Corsair K70 CORE TKL. What if I told you that one of the most overlooked reasons for slow, frustrating gameplay isn't skill, it's a keyboard that can't keep up? That's where the Corsair K70 CORE TKL immediately impresses among the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboards. Its 10-keyless design saves desk space and gives you freedom for wide, fluid mouse movements, while the pre-lubricated MLX Red V2 linear switches deliver buttery smooth, responsive keystrokes that feel noticeably more precise as compared with others in this category. The dual sound dampening layers and pre-lubricated stabilizers reduce clatter, offering a calm, focused typing experience that inspires relief and confidence during long sessions. Ultra-bright per-key RGB lighting and a programmable multi-dungeon dial make customization effortless, adding both flair and practicality. The durable double-shot ABS keycaps ensure longevity, tested for real-world comfort, At $79.99, it's a smart choice for gamers and professionals who want reliability, speed, and a compact, high-performance keyboard without compromise. Now moving to the last one is SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL. What if I told you one of the biggest frustrations for gamers isn't reflexes? It's a keyboard that's slow, noisy, or unresponsive. That's where the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL immediately stands out in the search for the top 5 best TKL mechanical keyboards. Its compact 10-keyless design lets